special day, and here's my special way to say, "Mom, I love you. Happy Mother's Day." So today's surprise for my mom is gonna be, can you guess what it is? It's gonna be grilled egg cheese sandwich. The ingredients for my grilled egg sandwich are 2 raw eggs, a container with water, bread, cheese slices, black pepper, tomato ketchup, salt to taste, and butter. To begin with, I'm going to take the container with water in it, put it on the stove, take both my raw eggs, and I have to put it in so it is dipped completely inside. And now I'm going to light the gas. And now I'm going to set it to boil. Now I have the eggs boiled and ready. So let's start peeling them. So here I have started peeling them. Now I'm peeling my second egg. So now I have my second boiled egg. Now I'm going to take the slicer, keep one of my boiled egg in it and cut it into half. So here you can see I have my cut eggs. So here we have the sliced egg, and now I'll put it on the plate. Here I'll take my second egg and slice it. Look how beautifully it is sliced. But if you don't have a slicer, you can use a knife instead. Let's put all our ingredients together to produce a wonderful sandwich. So now I'm going to begin putting butter to my bread. Finished applying butter to all the 4 slices of my bread. We'll be filling each side of this slice with egg, the slices that I had made. Now let's fill the other one. So now fill both the slices with egg. Now I'm going to sprinkle a little bit salt you can do it as per your taste, and add a little bit of black pepper. Next I'm going to take cheese slices and cut it into a triangular shape like this, and apply it over on top of the sandwich. So now I'm going to do the other one. Now here I've applied it to both the slices. Now I'm going to take a little bit of tomato ketchup and put a little bit over it. Cover the sandwich and apply butter on the top to grease it. The sandwich ready to be grilled. Now let's put it inside the sandwich maker. So I'm putting it in. minutes now and I think it's ready. So let's open it. Yes, it's been done. So here we have our amazing, yummy toaster egg sandwich ready to eat. Now, let's serve it nice and hot. Here's my first one. Let's serve tomato ketchup with it. And let's present it nicely. I hope you enjoyed, Mom. The dish is ready. It's so yummy. I feel like eating it myself. No, but it's for my mom. So, I love you, Mom, and I hope you enjoy this dish.